Hi everyone, Attorney Renaud Dery here from the Canadian law firm. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the upcoming changes being made to the Express Entry program and how you might benefit from them. As some of you already may know, all program Express Entry draws will be resuming on July 6th after a nearly 2-year pause. Here are 4 upcoming changes that you should know about ahead of this important draw. Change number 1, Express Entry applications will return to a service standard processing time. During the COVID-19 pandemic, processing times for most Express Entry applications soared beyond the service standard of 6 months. According to Canada's Immigration Minister Sean Fraser, Express Entry applications will return to a 6-month processing standard for new applicants once all program draws resume on July 6. Change number 2, Express Entry invitations will be issued at a pre-pandemic rate. The exact number of invitations that will be issued in the next all-program draw has not been revealed. However, according to an internal IRCC memo, once all program Express Entry draws resume, sizes will be similar to those held before the pandemic. The average numbers of invitations issued in draws before March 2020 was about 3,500, so the July draw will likely be around this size. Change number 3, the next Express Entry draw may be occupation specific. The Canadian government is currently in the process of passing a new bill that will give more control to the immigration minister in selecting Express Entry candidates from the pool. Instead of having just on a minimum CRS score, the minister could invite candidates based on groupings. Groupings may be a combination of factors like work experience, language proficiency, or education. We don't have a timeline on when the bill will be passed, but it is possible that the next all-program Express Entry draw could target a specific occupation or a set of occupations. Since candidates would be ranked against others in their grouping rather than the entire Express Entry pool of candidates, the CRS cutoff would likely be much lower than what would be seen in a general draw. Change number 4, there will be a new way of classifying occupations. This November, the Canadian government will be implementing a new way to classify occupations. The National Occupational Classification System is Canada's way of determining and classifying a candidate's work experience. Since only candidates with work experience in certain occupations are eligible for Express Entry, the system will affect who is eligible to submit a profile once it is implemented. For the most part, occupations that were eligible under the previous system will remain eligible except for 3 occupations. The good news is that an additional 16 NOC codes were added to the list of eligible occupations. That means that candidates with work experience in one of these 16 occupations who were previously ineligible to apply for Express Entry could become eligible after November. If you're interested in immigrating to Canada through the Express Entry program, now is the time. Canada's job vacancy rate is at an all-time high with an aging population and record low unemployment. Immigration is crucial to help grow the Canadian economy. The government knows this and is making it easier and faster to come to Canada. If you're interested in learning more about how you can immigrate to Canada through the Express Entry program, complete our free online assessment form by clicking the link below. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day.